what happens if your kitty goes pee in the Pet Pivot automatic scooping litter box. And for the fun of it, we'll just put the poop in there as well. For the sake of this video, I have it in manual mode, so I'm just gonna press this top button right here and it's automatically going to the pre-cleaning process. If it was in automatic mode, which usually it is, 70 seconds after your cat leaves the litter box, it's gonna start the pre-cleaning process you're seeing right here. It's gonna take all the clean litter, submerge it with the cat's poop and pee so it doesn't smell and waft around your home. And also so it's not wet and it dries it out so it's not going to smear all over the machine. My other automatic litter box smeared all over the machine. I had to clean it with paper towels and that defeated the whole entire purpose of getting an automatic litter box, so I upgraded. Ironically though, this one was a lot cheaper. A lot of people are scared when it comes to automatic litter boxes, but look, if your cat jumps in while the cleaning process is going on, it will immediately stop and wait for it to get out and then it will resume. So it's then gonna sift all the clean litter from the dirty and it's gonna put the poop and the pee down below in the trash can. There we go, plopping it down. And this will never fully shut, so watch this. It fully stops, your cat's always gonna have an opening. They're never gonna be trapped or stuck. Not like it matters because the safety features stop it automatically whenever they're in the box. The poop goes down here in this 1.85 gallon trash bag. It's actually usually gonna take about 10 to 14 days for one cat until you need to replace it with more trash bags that it comes with. This is about an 8 to 10 month supply of trash bags that already comes with your order. Also comes with this litter tray, and by the way, your litter is gonna be completely cleanly raked and flat by the time your cat wants to go to the bathroom again, so they're not gonna try to get revenge and poop on the carpet because the kitty litter is dirty. And also, you don't even have to smell your cat's litter if you don't want to. You can open up this handle and pull the yellow tab. It's gonna shut the bag closed so you don't have to look or smell your litter ever again.